Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Meta account with Edis.io in order for you to publish ads to your Facebook page or Instagram profile. Click Integration in the left sidebar. Now click the Add Integration button. Click on Add Facebook. If you are already logged in, your screen will look similar to mine. Else, you will need to log into your Meta account first. Make sure to select any business manager, page, or Instagram accounts that you will want to use and click Connect. I've already chosen assets, so I will click the blue Reconnect button. You will be redirected back to the integration page. Once you're on the integration page, click the View and Edit button. If you are missing any business managers, pages, Instagram profiles, just click the corresponding sync and choose what you want to add. I will click Sync for Ad Accounts and choose the ad account I want to add. That's it. You've integrated Meta with Edis.io. Thank you.